Of all the things you offer to your customers, peace of mind might be the most important. Despite the time they spend researching on the internet, your customers are not experts in what's wrong with their vehicle or what the right parts are. They count on you to diagnose the problem, select and install the correct parts, and get them back on the road quickly and safely. It can be a daunting responsibility. Standard knows how you feel. They understand that hype and promises mean little, especially if the results don't match. In a recent survey, automotive professionals like yourself said that high-quality parts and trusted brands were the top two factors they consider when making a purchasing decision. And when asked about brand preference for engine management parts, Standard stood out as the leading choice among respondents. Standard knows that what comes out of a repair is directly dependent upon what goes into the box. And for more than 100 years, Standard has had a lot to be proud of. Standard is a true manufacturer with a full line of vehicle control and engine management components, offering more than 50,000 precision engineered parts. With 19 manufacturing facilities, they have a global reach with a local presence. As an American company, they believe in manufacturing in North America. The vast majority of Standard parts are manufactured in North American plants, including wire and cable in Mishawaka, Indiana, fuel injection components in Greenville, South Carolina, as well as other parts in Independence, Kansas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Reynosa, Mexico, and St. Thomas, Ontario. In addition, they have 13 fully equipped design and development centers in North America and around the world, including New York, South Carolina, Poland, and Germany, dedicated to ensuring the performance of aftermarket products. These manufacturing facilities are IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certified. As an expert manufacturer, all of SMP's components are validated from raw material through end-of-line testing. These tests include thermal shock, vibration, salt spray, and more, ensuring the parts you use perform correctly and last. More than 250 engineers, technicians, and designers, supported by state-of-the-art validation labs, use 3D modeling, CAD electronic circuit design, and other cutting-edge resources to ensure 100% consistent product reliability and performance. Because today's vehicles have complex electronic safety systems, every part installed must be designed and calibrated to work with them. You depend on tested components that allow systems such as automated braking and electronic stability control to work as designed without exception and without frustration for your customers. Your techs don't have time to second guess your part selections. With Standard's precision engineered and tested line of components, including ABS speed sensors, ADAS components, oil filter housing kits, cam and crank sensors, electronic throttle bodies, EVAP, fuel injection, ignition coils, VVTs, and turbocharger kits for import and domestic vehicles, the Standard logo on the box means they won't have to. With precise catalog data, an award-winning training program, and marketing resources as well as exemplary sales support, you can be sure that Standard's commitment to your success is more than just hype. Your customers will appreciate your confidence. When the OE part fails, don't wonder what's in the box. Choose Standard. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.